Do you feel low on cash lately? How do you plan to use your $1,000 gift card? How many times do you go shopping per week? To get started, enter some basic information and answer survey questions to continue towards your $1,000 Visa gift card. Discover, download and play free online games, try new monthly subscription boxes, discover the best entertainment services, and much, much more. Complete your favorite 10 deals purchase required to claim your reward. Here are some of the reviews. Tarian Debeek reward value claimed, $1,000. Georgina Kahapea reward value claimed, $750. Georgina said, I absolutely love all of the book orders. Billy Stump reward value claimed, $1,000. At first, I thought this program was going to be gruesome. I actually enjoyed completing this rewards program. I recommend this rewards program to everyone and anyone that is in need of assistance. I loved the process of completing this reward program. And huge thanks to this rewards program. Click the link below to find out more.